Hello, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to take a look at Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank for today's expiry. तो क्या लेवल सीख रहे हैं SMC ICT concepts के basis पे. Yeah, let's take a look. This is a monthly chart for Nifty. So as we were looking at the this volume imbalance, so market has perfectly filled this. So now a candle body over here. So now this area is filled. So at this point again market is looking bearish. Now this wick becomes important. इसका जो 50% level है, basically 22,300. I'll be watching that level. So that is important. Yeah, I think monthly these are the things. Let's switch to weekly. So in the current week there is this fair value gap. ये बन रहा है. So let's mark this fair value gap. And slight volume imbalance. So this entire area is pretty important. Let's mark the volume imbalance separately. So that and even here again, abhi market it's still this week is still ongoing, but there's this volume imbalance in creation. Again, this let's measure this wick. So again, it's even the weekly wick, it's like 22,285. So in my opinion, but 2285 to 22,300 market should take some sort of a support. So wick level I'll be watching closely. So yeah, and of course we can mark the current week high and low. Small range so far this week. So is this clear gap on daily? This is a entire area is a fair value gap, but I'm going to focus on this for today's expiry. In case there's a positive momentum, so previous day high को भी mark कर लेते हैं. And this again this volume imbalance fair value gap we have been marking. ये perfectly fill हो चुका है, so you can ignore that now. Yeah. Okay, switching on to 4 hours. Hours on the downside, little far, but this is a volume imbalance, which is still, and there is this fair value gap as well, small little fair value gap. because it's a volume imbalance, ये पूरा एक area ही we should note. So we have market is still bearish today, so I could expect this area to be filled. Now switching on to 1 hour. So 1 hour, I do see this fair value gap bearish. Yeah, I think for bullish trades for today, this area becomes important. Market इस fair value gap के ऊपर market sustain कर रही है, then it could mean कि market is going to be slightly bullish for the day. So these equal highs as well. So yeah, I'll wait for this fair value gap to be filled before taking any further trades. But yeah, again, there's this gap as well, so could be potentially market might just go straight up, filling this gap. And downside, we already have this fair value gap in place. Let's see if there is anything else on 1 hour. Again, there's this fair value gap as well on 1 hour. This down candle as well. So we're switching on to 30 minutes. Yeah. Don't see anything else. On to 15 minutes. Yeah, these equal highs, the swing high, and of course the gap in case market is bullish. Downside, I'll wait market to break these equal lows and then sustain. अगर इसके नीचे sustain कर रही है, it could mean कि it's going to be a sideways to bearish day. But yeah, this fair value gap, this area is pretty crucial. Anything if market इसके ऊपर sustain करे, high probability market go towards these equal highs and the swing high. So yeah, that's Nifty 50, and let's switch to the bank real quick. The monthly chart. So again, this monthly wick. So far, market is just about there. So it could mean market should take यहाँ पे थोड़ा support and could show us some positive sign, bullish. But yeah, it's pretty crucial level. So 48, about 500. And of course, this previous month low is pretty close. Like that. 2 weekly. Again, the market is right on that. So if you see this weekly break, the level, the 50%, market has just like on the week of 27th Jan, just took that support there and given a nice move. And मार्केट ने किया क्या, मार्केट ने उस विक पे सपोर्ट लेके मिड पॉइंट पे, and if you're watching this wick and you know कि इसका मिड पॉइंट है and you see on a smaller time frame like 5 minutes there's a fair value gap getting created, take a position and your target should be the opposite side liquidity, which is this fair value gap, right? So beautifully market has filled that exact fair value gap from this low. So yeah, these things, if you're watching near marking, I think subconsciously दिमाग में ये चीज़ें रह जाती हैं and you can start to take trades which make sense. And again, we're not using any indicators or anything. So again, the more you review these different concepts, I think the more you get better taking high probability trades. So yeah, that was one thing I wanted to cover. And this volume imbalance. Even this one is getting it's in process of getting created at this point. I'll just remove this. So switching on to daily. In daily, there's this lot of this fair value gap. There is volume imbalance. So a lot of targets on the upside. Previous day high and low we can mark. Yeah, a slight little gap as well. Yeah, there's a huge volume imbalance on daily, which is still there. Market is just about there. So yeah, this area looks like market will try to put a body in this area, candle body. So yeah, a lot of volume imbalances on both sides. 4 hours देखते हैं कुछ. Another volume imbalance, fair value gaps. We should just mark this. There's a slight little area which is not trading in this area. पूरा pure gap है, वो भी fill I think नहीं हुआ है. You should have this on your chart. Market can potentially come to fill this. And also it's an order block as well. So this candle, so उसका जो opening price है, that becomes pretty important. So another thing, switching on to 1 hour. There's a small little gap, 1 hour. Again, there's no trading in this area. Actually, थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा गैप है. So market closed here on this day, and this entire area till now अभी तक after basically इस दिन के बाद 27 Jan के बाद next day market ने gap up किया था, so that gap is इस area में कोई trading नहीं, so I think becomes a huge pull. यहाँ पे market pull कर सकती है. So yeah, that's pretty important. And ये swing lows के नीचे ही है, so yeah. Switching on to 30 minutes. The spending fair value up. So yeah, if this small जो एक gap है उसके लिए I think I'll wait for market to cross this level. उसके ऊपर sustain कर रही है, then could be market is going towards this filling this gap. And these are equal highs as well. So market might potentially happen to this. Of course, there's a volume imbalance. नीचे की साइड तो एक पूरा गैप है, so I'll wait for market to go below the previous day low. ये equal lows के actually नीचे है, ये एक fair value gap है, bullish. So I think what I'll try to wait is किस fair value gap के नीचे market should come, and then use this fair value gap as a resistance. जब वो market वहाँ से turn कर रही होगी, that's when I'll take my position on the downside for this gap, and ऊपर की side this जो remaining fair value gap है. Let me change the color. उसके ऊपर I'll see if there is any buying position. Now let's switch to 50 minutes real quick. Yeah, I think these two fair value gaps are critical आज के लिए. Okay. So yeah, these are the key points I wanted to share with you guys. Please do give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.